welcome back to my channel. I was like totally indecisive of what kind of look I wanted to do as far as the makeup look. Smokey sultry eye, just because y'all requested it. So y'all ask and I listen. And it's just the way I do my curly soft waves. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on my channel. I hope that you guys enjoy this, and let's get started.
I start prepping my skin with Milk's Makeup Hydra Grip Primer. I'm using NARS Radiant Longwear Foundation and a damp beauty blender, blending my foundation all the way down my neck. Next, I'm concealing under my eyes with a smaller damp beauty blender and using NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. Highlighting the parts of my face that I want to show up more, I'm using Shape Tape's concealer right under my eyes, down the bridge of the nose, the forehead, and the chin area. Setting with Huda Beauty's transparent powder and a 240S brush from MAC. Setting my foundation with MAC Studio Fix powder and a kabuki brush for a full coverage finish. Next, I'm going to contour with Fenty's Beauty Truffle foundation stick using an angled brush, going down the sides of the face, the temples, and the forehead. Setting that contour with NARS bronzer. For an extra highlighted look, I take Anastasia Beverly Hills contour palette using the lighter shade right under my eyes. To warm up my cheeks, I'm taking Water Mandarin blush from MAC and a 129 brush. Prepping my eyes for shadow with Painterly Paint Pot from MAC. For this eyeshadow look, I'll be using Alyssa Edwards palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And the first color I'm using is the Supreme, using a 224 blending brush right on my crease. The next color I'm using is HOE, darkening that crease color with the same brush, just going over it and using circular motions to blend out. The next color is Back Rolls, going in and darkening the outer corners with the 217 brush, blending in towards the crease. And the next color is Beast, darkening the outer corners, taking them down the lash line for a smoky look. The last color I'm using is Inspire, and wetting my brush before applying, and applying right on my lid to about halfway, and then also taking it towards the inner tear duct. Lining my waterline with MAC's Black Chroma Line pencil, and going back with the color Beast and a pencil brush to smudge out for a smoky look. Going back to the color Back Rolls and a 217 brush, take that shadow and blend for a blown out look. Taking the color HOE, we're just blending all those colors together so it all looks nice and blended. Using Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel and just brown eyeshadow to finish off my eyebrows, and prepping my lashes with Maybelline's Great Lash Mascara, and topping it off with Glam by TL lashes in the style Luxe. Overlining my lips with MAC's Strip Down Lip Pencil, and topping it off with Yash lipstick from MAC as well. Last but not least, highlighting my cheekbones with Soft and Gentle highlighter from MAC, and that's it, y'all.
Okay guys, so we are continuing to my what was I gonna say? Continuing my tutorial to my hair now, and I'm gonna do a straight kind of curly look. I'm not really like into like the huge curl. So I already prepped my hair with my Monet stuff. So I used my Rejuva beads. I blow dried my hair with Kendra blow spray, and then I also used a little bit of the Rejuvenique oil just on top of my hair. It's wet. It's wet. I'm talking too much. Slow down, girl. And all I do is I section my hair in half, and then I'll pin this side, and then I start at the small sections at the bottom. I mean, not like super small, but like enough. So I'm gonna be using my straightener and my 1.5 inch barrel that I bought at Amazon. I'll put the link down below so you guys are able to know where to find that. It was like super cheap and it works great. What I like to do first is I like to straighten my hair. It doesn't have to be like perfectly straight, but definitely where the tips are straight. My 1.5 inch barrel, and I go ahead and curl my hair. I'm gonna leave it on for just a little bit, and then when I come down, I twist. Notice I don't touch the tips. Right here, I just drop. So I don't curl the tip, so my tip is a little straight. You see that? Kind of with my fingers. So I get kind of like a curl right in the middle, and then my tips are straight. Okay, so my hair is nice and curly, and then I do also like to take some wax, and this one is from Beyond the Zone. You can get this at like Sally. Take just a tiny bit on my hands, like literally like a very tight mitt, and then rub like kind of flyaway, so like more in the front of my hair, and then I just kind of add them to the tips of my hair or the tips of those curls, just to add like some texture. It adds like kind of that messy look. I take a little bit of this Monet Tousle texturizing mist, and then just spray that over. So this is it, you guys. This is my beachy kind of messy kind of look. I love the messy look. Thank you to the ones who requested this look, and I hope that you guys continue to watch all of my videos. I do plan on getting better lighting and better video quality. It's kind of dark right now, so I don't have as much lighting in my bathroom. You guys, again, thank you so much for watching. You guys are seriously amazing. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment on my videos, and we'll see you guys next time. Pero si me lo voy a respetar.